All right, we have our Leblond Regal, nice little lathe. It's currently wired 440 volt three-phase. That's why we have it running through a transformer here. Our primary voltage is 230. The machine runs really well. The handles are nice and smooth. Not a lot of backlash in them. It's an older machine, but it's actually really very nice. Bed ways are in good condition. It's a gear head, so we go from 30 RPM to 1200. I'll go ahead and fire it up and we can run it. You can hear the spindle is nice and quiet and smooth. There's your longitudinal feed. Cross feed, you have to pull out on the handle. In is forward, out is the cross. You have your feed direction up here on the headstock to change the feed direction. So now we're feeding in. Feeding away. Also have a half nut and your threading indicator here, where you can lock in for your threads, whatever you want. No, all in all, nice running machine. We'll do a different speed range for you here. 825 RPM. We can go into the slow speeds for you also. This is 88 RPM. And this is the slowest speed, 30 RPM. There you have it. Nice older machine. Runs good.